Imagine having a tool that can help you cook better food, finish your schoolwork faster, create videos, generate images, grow a business, and even solve daily problems within seconds. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what millions of people are doing right now with artificial intelligence. And 3 AI tools are dominating the internet right now: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Meta AI. Let's start with ChatGPT. This AI is honestly changing the way people work and create online. Need a script for YouTube? ChatGPT can write it. Need help understanding a difficult topic for school or college? It explains it in simple words. Want better recipes at home? It can literally generate chef-style cooking ideas instantly. People are even using it to repair gadgets, solve technical problems, organize their daily routines, and improve productivity. And for content creators, this thing is insane. Titles, descriptions, video ideas, storytelling, thumbnails, captions. Tasks that used to take hours can now happen in minutes. Then comes Gemini, Google's powerful AI system. Gemini is extremely useful when it comes to information, creativity, and business. Want to start a business? Gemini can generate ad ideas, product descriptions, logos, marketing plans, and even social media strategies. Need workout plans, diet tips, better sleep routines, or study guidance? It can analyze information and generate personalized suggestions instantly. And one of the craziest parts? AI image generation. You can literally describe anything you imagine, and Gemini creates cinematic visuals within seconds. Movie posters, futuristic cities, realistic characters, YouTube thumbnails, almost anything. And then there's Meta AI. Meta AI is becoming deeply connected with social media and communication. It helps people create captions, content ideas, replies, trending posts, and even viral content faster than ever before. Some AI tools can even help generate videos and visuals automatically. And honestly, this is the part that feels unreal. Just a few years ago, this level of technology sounded like science fiction. But today, AI is becoming part of everyday human life. People are now using AI for learning, creating, working, planning, and solving problems every single day. And the scary part? This technology is only getting smarter. So now I want to ask you something. If you could choose only one AI tool for daily life, which one would you pick? ChatGPT, Gemini, or Meta AI? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe to DarkByte Docs for more futuristic AI videos and cinematic documentaries about the future of technology.